To a soldier, life is a battle. To a teacher, life is school. It is a very good thing for a person who works hard. Life is a failure to the fools. Life is not a moan, not a sob, not a sigh, but a struggle, storm and strife. This is the real life of mankind throughout the whole world.